Hey there techies. Today we're going to check out a new tool that feels like it was teleported from the future. A tool that includes features like vibe coding, image generation, video generation, app building, and the most interesting part, it can read your screen and guide you through anything. For example, if you're stuck on a coding problem, just share your screen and the AI will walk you through the solution step by step. Yes, I am speaking about Google AI Studio, a tool that's making huge vibration in the AI market. To access Google AI Studio, go to aistudio.google.com. After signing in, you will be redirected to this page. On the right side, we have various options like chat, stream, video generation, starter apps, and history. Let's see them one by one. Using the chat option, we can access the most advanced AI models like Gemini 2.5 Pro and 2.5 Flash. The most interesting part is that Gemini 2.5 Pro secured first place in the AI arena, beating GPT-3, Grok, and GPT-4o. For example, let's try to develop a planetary orbit simulation. So let's switch the model to Gemini 2.5 Pro, paste the prompt, and hit enter. You can see that 2.5 Pro thinks before operating. If you click on the Expand to View Model Thoughts option, you can see the way the model thinks. One more point is that Gemini 2.5 Pro model is faster than Sonnet 3.7. Now the code is generated, let's try to run this code. Now I have pasted the code in Visual Studio and let's hit the Run option. Amazing! The output exactly portraits the Earth's revolution around the Sun. We can start the revolution by clicking the Earth-like orbit option. Also we have many adjustments like star mass, time step, etc. Let's try them one by one. The time step option increases the speed of the revolution, the star mass increases the mass of the star and hence, changes the orbit shape. And the other features like planet's astronomical unit. In both X and Y axis also works perfectly. This result is tough to obtain in other models like ChatGPT 4.1 and Grok 3. But I wonder how Gemini did this in a single prompt. This is the output I got from Grok 3 after trying for 2 times. Look at the difference between the models. Here the planet is not even revolving, and I don't think that the adjustments are related to planetary orbit. It is simply displaying an image. If you hover over the model in Google AI Studio, it displays the metrics of the model like pricing and use cases. For an input within 200,000 tokens, the output price will be $10. If the input tokens exceed 200,000, then the output price will be $15. But Google AI Studio offers this model for free with limited tokens rate. You can check this from the right side window. Before going to the stream option, let's first check out the video gen option. It uses VO2 model, which is the most powerful video generation model developed by Google. We can define our prompt here and make various adjustments like number of results, aspect ratio, video duration, and also we can include negative prompt. Let's test this VO2 model by generating a video. I got this prompt from ChatGPT and in the negative prompt, I am gonna say, avoid unfinished shapes and no green color. Let's hit the run option and wait for the reply. Now the output is ready but still it looks pretty rough. The style and the character design looks amazing, but they aren't battling each other, which is the main theme of the video. One more notable point is, as we mentioned in the negative prompt, the video doesn't include anything in green color. But in both the videos the characters aren't fighting. So, let's try one more prompt, but this time it is not going to be anime style. Once again I got this prompt from GPT and let's run this prompt. This is the output I got and it looks amazing. However, we can't judge an AI model's capabilities based on just 2 attempts. To truly evaluate its performance, we need to test it at least 100 times. That said, for now, it seems the VO2 model excels at generating common scenarios, but struggles with clarity when the scenes involve more complex details. Now, the time has come to check out the most advanced feature that sets Google AI Studio apart from others. That is, stream. Through this option you can share your screen and Google's AI will explain you everything, guide you through doubts, help you to achieve what you are struggling to. Actually, many videos are available in YouTube demonstrating this feature. I don't want to bore you guys by doing the same. So, if you want to know how this works, I recommend you to watch these videos. While using this stream option, you can choose how you want the output to be. For example, if you want the AI to teach you directly, you can choose the output format as audio and text. But if you want the AI to generate only text that you can refer later, then change the option to text alone. Below that, we are provided with the voice option, through which we can change the voice of the output. Also, Google provide the stream option in various languages, including French, German, Tamil, Japanese, etc. Using the media resolution option, we can control the resolution of the input and output media. If the resolution is high, it needs more tokens and vice versa. Next up, we have starter apps, where we can build and deploy apps or websites using Gemini API. As you can see, all these apps are built using the Gemini API. Let's try one of these apps. I'm gonna try this Magical GIF Maker app. Let's open it. Amazing. It not only displays the app but also the source code. Let's open the folder structure. Wow. It looks like Visual Studio Code. Here we can clearly see all the files and codes used to build this app. At the left side we have live preview. We can also edit the code. For example, let's change the color of the input. Now I have changed the color from dark purple to white. As you can see, the changes are saved automatically and it is updated in the preview. One more notable point is that as of now, it supports only JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML and CSS. Advanced tech stacks like Next.js, Vue.js and Docker aren't supported. Now let's try this GIF maker. In the prompt box I'm gonna say, a mischievous cat drinking milk and hit enter. Google uses our Google Drive to store these apps. So, if you are making an application for personal use, make sure to keep the access in private mode. And you can also use Google Cloud for backend. Let's get back to the GIF maker. Basically, it is generating each frame separately. At last all these frames will be combined. Well, the output looks funny. It has used 10 frames to make this GIF. To develop your app, click on the Create an App option from the top right corner. Then you will be provided with various templates for your app. Among these you can select the one that suits you well. As of now, I'm gonna select the first one. Here you can create your application. You can even copy-paste an AI-generated code and Google will take care of publishing. By using the download option you can download your app. By using this option you can duplicate the app created. By using the pencil option at the left side, you can modify the name and description of your app. One more feature that we left without discussing is Top P. This metric determines the randomness of the output. You can tweak this setting according to your need. Actually, no other AI give you this option. And a common question that's bugging a lot of people is, which model is better? Gemini 2.5 Pro or 2.5 Flash? The answer is simple, 2.5 Pro is better for coding and development, while 2.5 Flash is great for research and other common works. You can get the API keys from their dashboard and the setup is very simple. You can also verify the documentation if needed. Don't worry, Google's documentation is simple to follow. Among the 4 features, chat, stream, video generation, and starter apps, which one seems more interesting? Comment your thoughts below. That's it guys. I hope I explained everything except stream option. I didn't discuss the stream option because YouTube is flooded with videos discussing it. If you find my works helpful, support me by liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.